making jollof rice with tilapia fish. Our ingredients are vegetable oil, tilapia fish, rice, spicy pepper, salt, onion, tomato, ginger and garlic, crawfish, and chicken bouillon. First, we're going to start by cleaning the tomatoes, but you need to wash them first. Now that I'm done washing the tomatoes, I'll cut them. I'll get back to y'all when I'm finished chopping all of the tomatoes.
Now that we finished chopping the onions, we're gonna start blending the ingredients. Now, we've already chopped a lot, so we're only gonna put a little of this inside the blender, right? Alright. Now, we're gonna start blending our pepper, our garlic with ginger, and of course, the leftover onions. Let's get started.
Take out the bones of our fish. Now we already grilled our fish. Just going to take out all the flesh and meat and put it in a bowl. Don't take out the bones because that's what we're trying to avoid. And we're gonna get back to y'all when I'm finished taking all of the bones of the fish. All right, now all we gonna do, we're gonna get to the pot. And we're doing this differently. We're not frying the oil and then putting in the tomatoes and onion. We're gonna put it in all together. And we didn't, as you can see, we didn't blend the tomatoes or the onions. We just chopped them, sliced them. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in, starting with the tomatoes. There we go. Put the tomatoes in, onions now. There we go. And then of course you gotta get the bouillon, you know, for the taste. Then of course you want to hit your heat. Gotta get the heat on. There you go. Gotta get the heat up. That's how we eat food. We eat it hot. Can't eat it frozen. There we go. Bouillon, bouillon. Then we're gonna go ahead and add a little of this. It's just for taste, you know. Gotta put things in your food just to make it taste better. Put a little bit more. Then last but not least, vegetable oil. What can you do without vegetable oil? It's like you put that in all the main foods that you eat, vegetable oil, it has to be applied. It's just a way of life. Don't overdo it. Just put enough. There you go. It's about as much as you want. And in this, the way I'm doing it now, you can stir your food without burning it because this is a different type of way. So as you can see, I'm touching it a little bit. And now that you put in all the ingredients and you got the vegetable oil, all you're gonna do is let it sit here and heat up. I'll get back to y'all whenever it's my tomatoes, onions, and oil is all mixed together. All we're gonna do is add our blended substance in to the equation. There we go. Next, we're gonna add some crawfish. Like I said before, you can go ahead and mix it. Nothing's gonna happen. You won't burn your food, nothing. Go ahead and mix it, move it around. And then last but not least, one of the most important things to this food, the tilapia fish. You gotta go ahead and put the tilapia fish to the food, you know? You always gotta get some meat in it. There we go. And then all we're gonna do is come and stir it in. There we go. That's what you gotta do. Go. And all you want to do now is go ahead and let it heat up a bit more. And I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever it's done so.
Now that we've finished cooking everything, we have to add our last ingredient, rice. Now, we already pre-boiled the rice, so we don't have to make any special preparations. We're just gonna add everything in. Now we're just going to mix everything in. Come closer, guys, come on. Yeah? See everything mixing in? All right, now we're just gonna leave it here for a while. And we'll get back to you guys when we finish everything.
Come on. Yeah. Jollof rice is finished. Woo woo. Time for din din. Look at that. Hey. Jollof rice with tilapia fish. There we go. There we go. This is it, man. This is the final results. As you can see, this is like some good grub. Thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all stay tuned. Continue to watch our future videos. You know, keep up with us. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.